I don't know how you live without this feature, because it is absolutely necessary for everyone who values their time and convenience. Go to Settings, then in General tab, then Keyboard, and select Text Replacement. Here in the upper right corner of the screen, tap the plus sign, and in the tab field, write a long phrase that you use often, such as your email or other frequently used phrase, and write its abbreviation at the bottom. First, let's add an email. And let's add something else. Click Save, and now let's open any messenger. Type in a shortened phrase, and the iPhone will offer you its full replacement. And it works everywhere, on any website, in any app, and it's super convenient and cuts down on communication time. With so much phone usage these days, this tip will save you tons of times. Use it and enjoy!